Welcome to Sherlock AI, our Azure Hackathon project. It uses AI to analyze crime scenes, spot patterns, and provide key insights for investigations.
Joe, I need you to investigate this crime on urgent basis.
I am already swamped with work.
How's the investigation coming along?
Still working on it.
Joe, you can now solve mysteries like Sherlock in one click. Let me show you how.
Data holds the key to uncovering crime patterns. That's why we use Azure Cosmos DB, a powerful, scalable solution for storing and analyzing crime data in real time. With fast queries and seamless integration, we can detect trends efficiently. Let's explore how Cosmos DB makes it happen. To fetch details from the graph, we can input our query in the input box. We are starting with a basic query to fetch all locations at which a criminal has committed crime. We can then observe the reasoning section to understand about the decision logic generated by our agent. We can see it has successfully generated a very accurate gremlin query. The details fetched are used to craft the summary, and we can see the location details clearly mentioned.
What about a complex query?
Now we will be looking at a hybrid query execution to find the shortest path between two criminals. We can see the decision logic referring to the network X and gremlin methods, and finally summary generation. First it generates the network X code to find the shortest path. Then it generates an accurate gremlin query to fetch details about nodes in the shortest path. Finally we see the complete details in a well-summarized manner explaining each and every node in the shortest path in detail.
Can I get a suspect sketch created?
Generating sketch is one of the critical aspects of crime investigations. Here we will be specifying various details about the suspect that we want to generate sketch of, and watch the cute teddy fly. The sketch is generated with great details and having every aspect we mentioned in our requirement. You can also download the sketch in one click.
Finally, what about crime scene enactment?
What crime investigation is complete without scene enactment? Here we can describe the important elements of scene and let our agent cook. Various steps are taken to stitch up the perfect video for you to understand better. Voila! The video is ready and you see our very own avatar narrator explaining about the event.
It was a quiet evening around 8 p.m. A 50-year-old lady sat at a street-side restaurant, enjoying her meal. Suddenly, four masked thieves appeared, carrying shoulder bags. Swiftly and without warning, one of them lunged forward, snatching the necklace from the lady's neck. In an instant, the group fled the scene, disappearing into the night.
This is a game changer. I can now analyze crime patterns instantly, visualize incidents with enactment videos, and even generate sketches as evidence. Azure AI just made crime solving smarter than ever.